Okay, so we're down just a little bit from where the motorcycles were, and this is the other end of the lake. And these are the businesses right here. This is one of the main bridges over the French, I think it's the French Broad River. I've seen it both as French River, the Broad River and the French Broad River. This is the one that flooded. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm allowed down here, but you can see all the excavator tracks. This is where they're coming in and trying to dredge everything out. And you can just look at the video a little bit if you're a hydrologist. You probably know a little bit about all the sediment that's in here. Another American flag. More equipment. Beautiful homes, and you can see they're not too far up above the level of the lake yet. And like I said, this was a generational flood. If you're an excavator, if you do any work on rivers and streams, you'll probably have a better idea of what all this means than I do, other than it just flooded this far, flooded all the way up to this bank. I think that little store across the street I'm showing, I think it did get flooded at least a little bit. I'll have to research that. I'm probably going to walk over there and see if I can't buy something. But there's the Broad River. It's really, really beautiful. And I mean, that to me looks like a lot of where they were trying to dig it out. I don't know if this bridge got taken out or not. I honestly can't tell whether that's new concrete or old concrete. It looks kind of new to me, but it might be old concrete. All right, so we'll walk back up towards this business. There's a restaurant here that's open and people are outside eating. I think it's kind of a bar situation. Looks like a place you could go in and have a drink if you wanted to. And I read and I saw on some other YouTube videos that people up here have PTSD whenever it starts really getting super stormy or hurricanes. They are kind of afraid this is going to happen to them again. And you can see where all the heavy equipment's been running, dredging this out. I mean, it looks to me like they got a lot of the trash out, but you can see all this concrete here. And there's a good bit of it right here. Parts of maybe the previous bridge. Footings, there's some rebar and footings. Oh yeah, you can see the old bridge here. Yeah, that's it. That's really sad. It is really, really sad. So this is all the old bridge work. And I can't imagine living here and all this happening in a very short span of time. It was only a few hours. This place got flooded really, really fast. Okay, mangled up. Totally mangled up metal. And since we're down here in the scenic part of the town, you know, you don't see like a lot of debris and stuff. And you know, all the people's personal items that would have flooded down here, they've gotten most of that picked up, cleaned up. Looks like they're storing some materials here for building. Yeah, and you can see all the heavy equipment runs through here, all the tracks. Okay, we're gonna walk right back out here. Try not to get hurt. See all the heavy equipment tracks running through here. I'm gonna go check out this little shop really quick. Hey.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. Do you mind if I film your beautiful place here?
Not at all.
Okay. I have
Everybody does.
you know, I have a drone business and I need footage for my portfolio. And I thought, why don't I try to bring some awareness to what happened up here while I'm at it?
Yeah.
Why not?
Exactly. Thank you for that.
Well, it's going to go on YouTube. I went ahead and created a YouTube channel. And see, I work for Georgia Power, so I actually work this storm.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, down at Georgia Power.
Yeah.
And it was bad enough down there, and as it was going and we heard about what was going on up here, it was just horrendous.
Yeah,
It was, I mean, it's just,
beyond belief.
well, the power company doesn't forget. And the people that work in power, they don't forget either.
Sure.
And, you know, because we all routinely help each other out.
Yeah, of course.